Hey, what's up guys? This is Gus with CALI Rebuildables, and today I want to show you guys my new Instagram page back here. So check in the link in the description and check out my Instagram page. I'm going to be uploading some photos that are related to the build, some photos, some things that you will not see on YouTube. They're related, but they're different things. If you guys could follow me and see what I'm doing during my regular days, things that I'm not posting up on YouTube, and check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna try to see if I could remove the dents off on the hood. I'm gonna put some Bondo on that. I'm gonna probably replace the hood, but some of you were asking me that why didn't I remove the dents on the doors, and honestly it's a lot cheaper this way, and it saves me a lot of time also, since I'm probably gonna wrap the whole car. So I'll probably leave those doors the way they are, but the hood, I seen them already on the junkyard, on the wrecking yard, and they're like $100. So but I am gonna try to repair this one, just to see if I'm able to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same process on that. I'm gonna grind it down and use the stud welder and then the dent puller and hammer it down too. So let's see how that goes. Okay guys, so I went and grind this section down and this one, and I'm gonna try to use the stud welder to see if I could pull this out. I think this is gonna be the worst one, but we'll see. Okay guys, so I pulled it with the puller. I did a stud weld right there and one right here. So now I'm gonna hit it with the hammer. Okay guys, so it started raining a bit. I don't know if you could tell, but it's getting there. It's definitely getting there. So I'm pretty sure I will be able to reuse this hood. Kind of got this one out a bit too, but still got to work on it a little bit more. But now this is the worst part. So I strained this thing a little bit more. You can see it's kind of following the same angle, but this dent on top, I need to get rid of this now. So this one seems to be okay. It's kind of sunk in a bit, but I'm gonna hit a little bit more. But also the paint and the primer, everything's gonna help out once I fill this thing up with primer. I mean with Bondo, a little bit of Bondo, and I might have to use Bondo all everywhere. So yeah, but it's getting there guys. Everything else seems to be okay. You can see now the worst part is this. So I'm gonna do that for now. I'm tired of the hood now. I'm gonna jump onto the back, and I cleaned this off already. I'm gonna sand it down a little bit more just to remove all the rust that started to come out, and I'm gonna apply the first layer of Bondo. Okay guys, here's the first layer of Bondo. It's kind of rough, but that's how it's gotta be, because I can't leave it as smooth as it is, because I need to build it up more. But there we go. The second one would be a lot better, and we're gonna work our way up. I gotta build it up a little bit more right here. Build it up just to be flush with the door, because on this side you can see the doors out just a bit, so you can see right there too. But we'll see how that goes. Okay guys, so this is the second pass. Bondo, it's a bit thicker, that's why you could see it all build up like that, but that's the way I want it. I let the first one dry now, so I'm probably gonna let this one dry completely and hit it with the sander. Try to mold already this side and this. So sorry about the hands, guys, but yeah, I think this is gonna be the worst area to try to mold this, but nothing that can't be done. So I'm not a pro, like I said. I know a lot of you gonna be telling me in the comment section that I did stuff wrong, but you know, like I said, I'm not a pro. So we will see how it comes out from a person that's not a pro. It's gonna look a lot better though than the way it was. So for me, that's a good thing. A door sticking out a little bit on the bottom too, so I have to fix that. Okay guys, so this is the first sand. So I'm probably gonna, no, I'm probably not. I have to add more Bondo on some sections that are lower, but basically it's getting shape, guys. It's starting to have shape. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun, but it's there. I still need to sand this section and add a little bit more Bondo on this side. I know a lot of you guys don't like the Bondo, but oh well. I think it's getting there, guys. Okay guys, so today is Friday, and I'm still sanding this thing down. I'm gonna mark it right here because I kind of lost the little edge that goes right here with the Bondo, so I'm gonna mark it and try to mold it. Okay, so I sanded it down. I kind of gave it a mold right here, but since everything's pink, I can't really tell. I could feel them, but I can't really tell the highs and lows, so I'm gonna primer it just a bit so when I sand it I could see all the low spots. So let me go ahead and spray that right now. It's getting there, guys, but you can still see the gap bigger, so I still need to add a little more Bondo. I went down to the metal right here, so that's too low. I need to put another little layer, but everything else seems to be looking a lot better. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let that dry for now. I'm gonna jump on the hood. These guys, you can still see kind of sinking right here, but maybe once I lower the rest of the Bondo, maybe that'll become flush. If not, I'll just add a little bit, another little layer. Now let me see if I could work on this while that dries and while that dries. I know you guys see it kind of sunny, but it's cold, so that's gonna take a little bit more. Plus the sun's not hitting it. It's pretty cold, so that's gonna take a little bit more to dry. I don't know if you remember the F350, guys. Got lifted 8 inches, 37-inch tires, and 24 by 14-inch TISs. That's my brother's truck, by the way. It's not mine. Okay, guys. So I started sanding this part down. I'm trying to mark with the Sharpie the line, the curve. So there it is. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but yeah, you guys can see it. There it is. So that's what I want to try to mold, that same curvature that this whole thing has. And for that, I'm just gonna use the block and go like this, and then hit it from the top. And that angle that the fender has, this thing has, is gonna give me that. There's gonna be a point to where it's not touching. I don't know if you guys can see the block. It's not touching it, so that's gonna give me that curvature thing, that mold. So yeah, I'm gonna hit out the bottom part and then the top part, and it should. Okay, guys. So I sprayed some primer. Let that dry, and I'll get back to this part of the hood. Okay, guys, so remember, check out my Instagram page, like it, follow me. And if you guys like this video and my other videos, check out my other videos. Also, on my videos, there's some hashtags on top. You can see the hashtag REBUILDMAFIA. Click on that and it's gonna take you to my other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, to my channel. See you guys in the next one.